Right, and I think that 18,260, or that's a bit of a resistance zone. So let's see whether or not we can get to that level. But let's get in Shivangi Sarda for a technical check. Morning, Shivangi. Thanks so much for joining in and wishing you a very, very happy new year. And may 2023 be a cracker for you personally as well as professionally. But tell us about the markets. What's the outlook from year on? And if you could fill us in with a couple of your picks as well.
Absolutely. Good morning, Nigel and Mangalam. Thank you for having me on the show. A very happy new year to all of you and wishing a lot of success, health and wealth in this new year. So talking about the markets, if we come to the Nifty, we've seen that, very positive rollovers from the December series despite, narrow volumes. The put call ratio has cooled off from the overheated zones. The FI's long short ratio is also stable now near 50%. So, overall, as we head into the new series, we are quite positive. Any dips could be utilized as a buying opportunity. Now, if we talk about the levels, 18081 is a crucial support, which the index has respected from the last, 2-3 sessions as well. So that is one level which we could watch out for as a support zone. And the upside, immediately we're seeing 18350 and 18500 zones. Now, looking at Bank Nifty, this has been a comparative outperformer in the entire year as we've, concluded it, and there is broader buying in this space, be it PSUs or private space. Now if we talk about the rollovers as well, it was around 86%, which was higher than its 3-month average rollover as well. So overall banking index is also quite positive. Any dips could be utilized as a buying opportunity. 43,000 will act as a crucial support, and on the upside we are expecting 43,750 levels immediately.
All right, Shivangi, thanks a lot for that. Wish you a happy new year. What are the individual stocks that you will be, trading on the first trading session of this new year?
Yes, so my first pick would be from the banking space. As I'm said that, the banking, PSU, as well as private is looking very positive, promising. So my pick would be on Canara Bank. We've seen that from the last 7 months, this stock has been making higher highs. And on weekly frame, we've seen a bullish engulfing pattern formation, and follow-up buying can be seen thereafter. So the stock is quite positive. It surpassed its immediate hurdle of 333 zones and is holding well above that levels. So a buy on this with a target of around 350 and a support of 330 levels. And the second pick would be from the metal space. We've seen quite positive action over here and quite momentum building in these stocks as well. Some of the stocks have witnessed short covering move in this, which will drive the stock higher with greater intensity. So here my pick would be Hindalco. We've seen support based buying and it gave a breakout above 483, and momentum is sustaining it to head as we head into the Jan series. So here a buy with a target of around 505 and a stop loss of around 475 zones.
All right, take that point. Thanks a lot, Shivangi, for joining in. Meanwhile, at the bottom of your screen, we have numbers coming in from M&M Tractors. Total tractor sales up almost 30-odd%, 21,640 units. Total sales also 23,243 units. This compares with a Nomura estimate that we had was 21,300. So it is beating street expectations comprehensively, as a result of which we're seeing the stock move higher. In fact, of 2022, M&M was the auto stock up over 50-odd% and starts 2023 on a good note with good sales coming in for December, beating estimates, the stock at the high point of trade. With that, we step into a short break. Actually,